po Ninong Jay.
Happy birthday, Nindo Jay! Happy birthday, Nindo Jay! Happy birthday, Nindo Jay! Happy birthday, Nindo Jay!
Happy birthday,
Ninong Jay! Happy 50th birthday! God bless!
God bless!
Happy 50th birthday, Gob J, Mr. Triple X. Enjoy your day and have a good one. Love you, Mama. Chup chup and keep balling.
My kumpadre, Jay Salazar, happy 50th birthday. And pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging isang mabuting asawa at ama sa iyong pamilya. And wish ko na sana lagi kang safe, pare. Mabuhay ka.
Uncle Jay, happy golden birthday sa'yo. I wish you a good health to you and your family. Hinay-hinay lang sa pag-inom. And enjoy your day.
Gob J, alam ko it's your special day ngayon. Kaya binabati kita ng happy birthday. Wish ko kay Lord, sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthdays na isi-celebrate with your family, good health, and makapaglaro pa tayo ng maraming liga. Kaya Gob J, happy birthday sa iyo.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Nais ko pong batiin ng maligayang kaarawan si Gob J ng SPBL. Huwag masyadong magpakalaseng, pare. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jay. Happy birthday. We wish you happiest on your birthday. On your 40th birthday. Ay, 50th birthday pala. See you.
Uy, parang Jay! Happy birthday, Golden Boy!
Happy birthday, Parang Jay. Sana maraming birthday ang dumating sa iyo at naway pagkalooban ka ng ating Panginoon ng laging malusog na pangatawan sa puno ng iyong pamilya. Muli, pare, happy birthday.
So, happy birthday, pre. I wish you all the best in life. Enjoy life to the fullest. Happy birthday. Salamat sa pagiging isa sa pinakamabuti kong kaibigan. Hindi ko makakalimutan lahat ng naitulong niyo sa amin, yung Mark, nung wedding namin, kayo ng Tita Jem. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sa inyong dalawa. Happy birthday. God bless. Dalaking to.
Happy birthday, pare ko. Wish you all the best. Stay safe and healthy lang lagi sa araw-araw. Lalong-lalo na sa paglalaro ng basketball at sa pagbabiyahe mo kasama si Chudi at Dichu. Ingat lang lagi, pare ko. Happy birthday.
Hello, Koys! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Jay! 50 ka na. Umayos ka na. Joke lang. Welcome to the club. Happy birthday. Don't regret of being old. It's a privilege. Hindi lahat meron ito. Enjoy lang natin. Enjoy every moment of our life. Ito na siguro yung pinakamasayang part ng buhay natin. And, katawan lang tumatanda, yung puso natin, bata pa rin. Happy birthday, Jay. Happy birthday, Kuya Jay. God bless you.
Hi, Kuy. Sa iyong 50th birthday, ang wish ko sana lagi kang malakas, lalo ng iyong tuhod. Alam ko, wish mo pa rin maging MVP. Kaya mo yan, Kuy. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Idol Kuy Samboy J.
Hi, Kuya Jay!
din, family. Kamusta na po kayo? I just want to greet you, Kuya, a happy birthday. And wish ko for you good health, more birthdays to come. And sana sa susunod na birthday mo, nandyan ako sa Philippines para naman makiselebrate sa inyo. Sobrang miss ko na kayo, lalo si Mami Ganda. Hi, Mami Pangko! Miss na po kita, pati po yung mga luto nyo. Ayun. Ingat kayo lagi dyan and enjoy, Kuya. Happy birthday! Bye, guys! Love you!
Hi, Kuya! Happy birthday! Golden Boy, March 4. The same kasi ang birthday natin. Of course, wishing you well, happiness, success, good health. So much thankful si Tita kasi andyan ang family natin. Keep strong. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Insan. Baka ano pa, birthday mo. Napakabang buhay mo, Insan. Birthday, Insan. Hindi makapunta sa March 1 alangalin may trabaho. Marami pa ng pagkakataon. Kailan tayo ng next time? Kita pa tayo, Insan. Marami pa pagkakataon. Marami pa tayong resource na uubusin. Happy birthday, 50 years old.
Happy golden birthday to the best kuya in this world. You can help getting older, but you don't have to get old. So drink all you want, play all you want. Happy birthday, kuya. I love you.
Kuya Jay, God bless you more and more birthdays to come.
Tito Jay, happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi dyan ha. Bawi na lang ako pag uwi ko. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Daddy J!
Happy birthday!
Stay healthy!
More birthdays to come, bro!
God bless you and we wish you a blissful day.
Happy birthday, Tito Jay! Happy 50th birthday, Tito J! Bayaw! Cheers to golden years! See you after 2 years, Bayaw. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Jay. Golden boy ka na rin, Brad. Wishing you good health and thank you for being a good husband to Jenny and syempre a good father to the Triple X. God bless you always and enjoy your birthday. Kampai!
Hi Tito, happy birthday. Enjoy your day po. And ang wish ko po sa inyo is good health lang po. And marami pang liga masalian. Hanggat kaya pa. Yun lang po. God bless.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you po sa lahat ng love and effort mo sa aming apat. Thank you rin for always saying yes pag si Chuchu nagno-no. Cherry. Wish ko lang is good health and safe ride always.
Hi Daddy, happy 50th birthday. Thank you for all the love and care that you have given us since day one. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pag-unawa at sa mga payo na ibinibigay niyo sa amin palagi. I'm wishing you more birthdays to come and sana i-enjoy mo tong araw na to.
Happy birthday, D. Stay healthy and more basketball to come.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish ko lang sa'yo is maging healthy and always keep safe sa lahat ng mga rides and syempre doon sa paglalaro sa basketball. Lagi ka mag-iingat and I hope we can make you happy today sa birthday mo since this is your golden year. And I hope na maging happy ka sa gift ko sa'yo. Pero alam ko kasi na alam mo na kung ano yun. So, pero still, I hope you'll be happy seeing that gift from me. I love you always. Take care and God bless.